Hello again, everyone. Yes, I'm making a second video on Halloween morning. This is about the airbrushing booth that I got. I got this on Amazon. It's a fairly large one for about 150, 160 bucks. It comes with LED lighting. It comes with the turntable with support sticks to support. I'm practicing on this caboose that I have. It's an HO scale caboose. And I had to change out the motors because the fan motors that came with it were not strong enough. So I went ahead and got two Noctua computer fans that would do it about 3,000 RPM, about the same amperage, okay, and they evacuate much more fumes and air. This booth comes with LED lighting all around to illuminate your work area. The turntable actually spins. It's not held in place. It just sits there and it sticks to it because it's got sticky feet on, so to speak, or rubber feet, so you can spin it around. And it also included a bag of these pins, these things that hold the pieces, okay? And it has two fans. I can use one fan, and it evacuates through the vent out my window. And these 3,000 RPM fans do a much better job of evacuating fumes. And here we got one fan. So that is my new airbrushing booth. So, yep, looking forward to seeing what I can get done with this thing over the winter. Anyway, hope you guys have a great one. Have a fun Halloween. Later.